Hey guys, Rick from Sonance here, back to our video. In this video I'm going to show you how to remake Infinity by Dubdogz. So the final result will sound like this. So if you want the presets we'll be using in the remake, make sure to check list sounds for your one. In the preset pack you find all the sounds you need to make this kind of style of music. Besides that, if you want the project file, make sure to check my Patreon. I will link them down below. So now let's dive into the remake. First I'm gonna make drums, then the basses. So let's dive into it. So let's start off with the drums. First I have the kick drum, sampled from the original, layered with another kick drum, sounding like this. Same for the clap, sampled as well. Together sounding like this. Then with a sub bass to it, nothing too crazy. Then the main bass, and a variation of the main bass. So let's dive into making the main bass, sounding like this. So we're gonna be making it from scratch, stacking the presets. First oscillator gonna be a saw wave, second one a sine wave. First one gonna be 2 octaves down, second one 1 octave. Select FM from B. So as we usually do with these presets, we're completely restoring the sound and then filter it. So let's name the filter, shape the envelope like this. And route to the cutoff. Shape it just like this. Just put the decay up just a little bit more. Now I'm gonna route envelope 3 to the master tuning. Just add some more punch to the sounds. Just like this. Now we're gonna add some effects to it. Again, first we're gonna destroy the sound. And then filter it, so some hyperdimension. Some tube distortion. Some OTT with a gain quite high. Then the filtering. We'll be using a low 24 for this one. With envelope 2 to the cutoff again. Shape it just like this. Now I'm gonna add an EQ to make room for the sub bass. So just cut off the lows. So then the final thing we're gonna do is add some effects to it, some reverb and delay, because it's a top bass. We'll add some more space to the sound. Just like this, just a little bit. So together with sub bass, it sounds like this. So the sub bass is just a square wave filtered. Then with this variation bass sounding like this, which is just the main bass with some more attack to it. So without. And with attack, sounding like this. So together all the sounds will sound like this. And that's it for the Dubdogz remake. So if you like the video, please leave a like and see more on the subscribe button. And I'll see y'all in the next videos.